at long last, the mountain of paperwork and the nightmare of trying to get this thing registered is done. And I am talking about this. Finally, we got the papers for the CL55 AMG. It's been a long time coming. So I do have a 3-day permit on the car, so I'm dying to take it for a good rip, but a couple things I got to do first, or want to do first. Under the driver's feet, that's where the jump spot is for a battery pack to hook up to boost the car. So that's just got to get put back together, and I'd like to put the grill on it, just to make it look a little more complete and less obvious for the popo to have a look at. We have the grill right here, and we had replaced one of the chrome strips on it that had a bunch of dings on it, and the chrome was lifting, so we're down to a few things left. One of them is these hood props. So easiest thing is just to pry out the clip. No drama. You recall in episode 8 we refurbished the wheels for the car. If you're curious, go check out that full episode, but we're going to get some tires mounted on these things right away here. Right, so the paint's had some time to dry. I did ceramic coat the wheels, and I'm being paranoid, of course, so I bought some PE tape.
It's neat stuff. And lined the most of the outside of the rims. I'm gonna do the front and back. And it's yeah, here's kind of what it looks like. It's sort of, it's got some adhesive, but not much. It's almost like putting on cling wrap, but it sticks a little bit, and it doesn't leave any residue or anything. It comes off nice. It's the stuff that protects things when you ship them. So I'm hoping it's going to do its job, because real nervous about this tire shop wrecking the rims and hours we just spent on them. But suppose that someday you just gotta, suppose one day you just gotta trust the system and let your kids go off to college and all that stuff. So cross our fingers they'll come back looking good. I'm gonna load them up right now. Okay, just got back from Costco, picked up the tires and wheels, and the guy comes out and comes to load them in my truck. I'm like, I hope everything worked out. I was really worried about the paint on those. And he goes, oh no, they were brand new. They still had the protective cover on them, tape on them, so we left that on till the end. I'm like, well, that's a heck of a compliment, because I'm the guy who refinished these. And he goes, you refinished those yourself? He says, they look brand new. We thought they were brand new. So that's a hell of a compliment. So here we go. Michelin Pilot Sport 4s, all season 4s, S4s I guess they would be. And look at the meat on these things. Good Lord. That's a serious tire. They look awesome. 265 40 ZR18s for the back. And then the front is getting 245 45 ZR18s, which this is the stock size for this car. But I mean, that's plenty of tire and meat. Love it. Love keeping the original wheels. Let's get these put where they're supposed to be on that car. She's looking a little sad over there. I do, so Spaz. Seems to be a theme right now in this garage, but we got some catching up to do. Brand new lug nuts. Going so nice. Sprung for new center caps. There we go. It's looking sweet. We'll torque those off to get it down on the ground. Here's a better angle at how skinny those non-stock rims are. Oh yeah, that's so much better. Love this.
Thanks very much for tuning in this episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and catch you on the next one.